Hello guys, Florentino Zuniga here. It's late at night, but I decided to make this quick video to show you guys that Power Lead system pays, and we're getting paid by using the cash now funnel. So right now it's 1:19 a.m. and it's Saturday, October 1st. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually let me disappear completely. I'm going to try to keep it short. So we're going to log into my Power Lead system back office, and I want you to take a look at this, guys. You have $538.71 plus I think it's $53.70 in actually let me show you real quick. I'll go to my billing, and this $53.97 that was paid using my commissions. So I have that a total of $592 that I made in this. So let me see if I go to commissions earned real quick, and I did earn a total of 500 on this one, plus that Emerald. The Emerald pays me $90. So I'm gonna edit this video, or it should be edited by the time you see it. But let me log out one more time and log back in, and again I have $538 in commissions ready to transfer now. So I'm just gonna do transfer now. It's that easy. Just click transfer now, and let's see what happens. So say transfer to your Paylution account. So I have $538.71 to transfer to my Paylution account. So it was transferred, and if we look back here, commissions up to September 19th. So I just transferred a total of $538.71. So if I go to account and I go to e-wallet, and then I'm gonna go to Paylution, and I'm going to sign in, and I have a total of $536.71, which is what they added to my account. And let me see, view transfers. And actually my card is expired, so I'm gonna add my bank account tomorrow. I'm gonna add my bank account, and this is gonna go to my bank account, total of $536.71. But guys, I just wanted you to see that we are getting paid from the Power Lead system. We are getting paid from the Power Lead system. As you can see, I just did it live for you guys. I transferred $536 to my Paylution account. So this definitely works, guys. So wherever you're seeing this video, guys, I just want to say thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. Go below the video description. Go somewhere down there. You can see my hand because okay, go down there. The link is going to be there for you to join the Power Lead system through the cash now funnel. And I am going to be dropping another video, guys, because I did join another program which is awesome. Is peer-to-peer, which means that every time you make a sale you get paid instantly. With the Power Lead system, since we have a 2-week trial for $1, any sales you make, you will have to wait anywhere from 15 to 18 days before you get paid. So I've been paid, guys, and actually let me go to my inbox, and you receive. So I received the payment, so it's showing that I received the payment from Paylution, amount of $538. And let me see what the other one says. It says take your payment, take your recent payment transfer. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, we are Ruby, guys. That's it.